Experience the vibrant culture and traditions of African tribes, where community and family are at the heart of their lifestyle. Discover the rich heritage of African tribes, passed down through generations, showcasing their unique customs and rituals. Witness the harmonious relationship between African tribes and nature, as they embrace sustainable practices and live in harmony with the environment. Explore the diverse art forms of African tribes, from intricate beadwork to mesmerizing dance performances, each telling a story of their culture. Immerse yourself in the rhythmic beats of African tribal music, a celebration of life and a means of communication within the community. Experience the warmth and hospitality of African tribes, as they welcome visitors with open arms and share their traditions with pride. Learn about the traditional healing practices of African tribes, rooted in nature and spirituality, promoting holistic well-being. Witness the resilience and strength of African tribes, as they overcome challenges and preserve their cultural identity in a rapidly changing world. Celebrate the unity and solidarity within African tribes, as they come together to celebrate festivals and important milestones in their lives. Join us on this captivating journey into the lives of African tribes, where ancient traditions thrive amidst the modern world.